Hey friends, if you wish to stop hidden files from showing up in search results on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Open File Explorer. Now one may ask, why am I opening File Explorer? I mean, it is for a specific folder. The answer is no, but let me show you. Now click on View, select Show and Hidden Items. There would be a checkbox next to it. Uncheck it. Okay. So this will solve the problem for you. But if it does not, then click on this, click on Options and then select this option here, View, and then you will find an option for hidden folders. Okay, hidden files and folders, and then select it at do not show hidden files and folders or drives. Okay, and then click on OK. So this is applicable across all folders on the system, and basically the file explorer is not just for your existing folder, it is for all folders across the computer, and hidden files will be disabled for everyone. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.